Okay, good day to you. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Eileen Loreño. I'm 43 years old, married, and with one kid. My
Oh,
educational background is undergrad practical nursing. And also, I went to culinary arts for 1 year. And also, I can drive also a car. I've been driving for almost 20 years.
okay, yes. So, do you have any international driving license?
Yes, I have.
Okay, yes, that is such a good experience. Okay, yes. So, do you have any work experience in abroad?
No, ma'am.
What about here in Philippines? Do you have any experience?
I do, ma'am.
Okay, so can you tell me what is your duties in your employer house?
I'm taking care of an older, like she's 81 years old.
Okay, yes. So, what did you do to her? Is a
Uh,
woman?
yes, she's a woman,
Okay.
mom.
Okay, yeah. So, how long years you been work for taking care of elderly?
2 years, ma'am.
Okay, so the same time you do all around housemate also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So, do you have any work experience, another work experience?
I have 2 years experience as a nanny mom for 2 years also.
Okay, so that is a Filipino nationality or,
My other mom is she's a Chinese,
okay, this one, the last one.
Japanese,
Oh, Japanese.
half Filipina,
Okay.
half Japanese.
Oh, okay. So, the same time you do all around housemate also?
Yes, ma'am. And also I'm so doing cooking
Uh-huh.
for my the one that the older like 81 years old. I
Uh-huh.
do cook for her breakfast and dinner.
Oh, okay. So you can drive also
Yes, ma'am, I can
to
drive.
them.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yes, so that is a very good experience. You can drive, you can cook, you can taking care of elderly, and the same time you are a nanny also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So, okay, so you said that you've been graduate uh, practical nursing,
Yes, ma'am. Undergraduate, ma'am. 2 years,
undergraduate.
2 years in practical nursing.
Oh,
And I
okay.
also went to a Red Cross training for
Mm-hmm.
8 months also.
Oh, so such such medical care.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So, okay, of course, are you capable to look after a newborn or young child?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay, can you tell me how the way you taking care a newborn or young child?
Of course, ma'am, with a toddler, you need to take a bath, changing the clothes, changing the diaper. You have to take care of his or her food, and that's it, ma'am.
Yes, baby is very really extra care and really pay attention every now and then. And of course, you check time to time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for example, if the baby is crying and crying, so what will you do?
I will first, ma'am. I will check his vital sign first. Check his stomach if there's something pain or there is something rashes or anything that causes pain why she's or he's crying. So that's it.
Yes, maybe if their baby that is crying and crying, maybe there is something wrong. So, yes, maybe you have to check the body temperature also.
Yes, ma'am.
If that the babies get fever or not feeling well, so what will you do?
I will check the temperature. Give him temperature to check his if it's high, it's very high, then
Yes, of course, if that the babies get fever, a high fever, so you have to inform immediately to your employer.
yes, ma'am, I will immediately inform the parents or the mother or the father that uh, uh, the child is not okay.
Yes, and you have a give a first aid also.
Yes, ma'am.
Or necessary you rush to the hospital.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a song nursery rhymes?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
Thank you very much about that. Okay then, so why you want to go to work in Hong Kong?
I really need to work in Hong Kong because I really want to earn more money for the future of my child.
Yes, because we are a mother, we have to really prioritize about the future of our children, especially when they go to university.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then, so if you are luckily hired in Hong Kong, do you have any message to your future employer?
Okay, ma'am and sir, this is Eileen Martin. I am a very fast learning. I'm very hardworking, especially in the household. I'm cleaning all the time, and that's my that's I'm also in the house.
Yes, and you promise that you finish your 2 years contract or more.
I think more than mom.
Okay, can you be 10 years?
Could be
Oh, okay, yes, to earn more.
more. Ma'am.
Okay, yes, and of course, to love their children as your own child.
Of course, ma'am.
And you promise that to finish your 2 years contract or more.
Yes, ma'am.
And you promise that you cannot ask salary advance from your employer.
Yes, ma'am.
And you promise that you cannot involve any bank finance in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you promise that you cannot play your mobile phone while you're working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before we end this interview, can you show us your best smile? Thank you.